Okay, so I'm going to show how I set up my Google Drive for the class to put my information in for the assignments. Okay, so I'm already in the EDCI 270 folder that I created. And then within that, I created an industrial design folder in which I put the Google Doc that we created for our other assignment. And I created another folder with hypothetical resources for a class if I were to be teaching a class on industrial design, such as images for examples for the students to look at, and then a just example of a short resource list of some places that they could go to learn more information about the subject. And to show you how you would create something new, here's a new, and you could create a Google Doc or a file or a folder. And that's it.